Relax, dude, it's me. You gotta accept the fact that I'm a ghost. Being dead is the best thing that's happened to me ever. It's like Titty Town, USA, and I got a free fucking pass.
Oh! Want me to give you a lap dance?
You bet your tidbitties I do. What's this? You should see that race of two Zeppelins chasing at my face. I wanted to sleep in them.
I'm kind of going out with your cousin.
Where'd you even see my cousin at?
At your funeral?
Did you even take a minute to mourn me? Or did you just stampede your dick into my family members? That came to a screeching halt. It seemed like it was gonna be fun, too. That looked neat.